Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to see any website's statistics, its performance information using alexa.com. So Alexa is a website owned by Amazon through which you can see any website's statistics. So let me tell you what kind of statistics I am talking about. So just search Alexa and here you can see alexa.com and open this. It is just showing some information that we don't need, so those are paid services. So this was the site. So yeah, so this is the URL, so alexa.com/site info. So here I'm going to give this website run analysis. So as you can see, it is showing us the keywords, so which keywords are being used by the users to open this website. So this is the keyword they are searching. So and comparison metrics, so 30% organic search, and competitor average you can see 22%. So it is also comparing with these websites. So these websites are its competitor. So this website has 30% organic traffic and 22% organic traffic is being generated by its competitor, so it is ahead of its competitors. And you can see the ranking of this website. So globally this is the rank of the website, and the average time consumed by users daily is 3 minutes 25 seconds. So every user, whoever visits the website spends 3 minutes 25 seconds, so on an average. So there are 10 links. If you compare the competitors, then they have more links. So and if we see the bounce rate, so a bounce rate is something which means that a percentage of visits to its site that consists of a single page. So in simple language, a bounce rate is when the user visits your web page and he does not go anywhere after visiting your home page and he just closes your website. So this is called a bounce rate. So if it is showing 57% bounce rate, which means 57% users open this website and they don't navigate to other pages, they just close it. So if a bounce rate is high, it means there is some problem with your website. You need to change your home page, or you need to change your services. So here you can see top keywords by traffic. So where it goes. So yeah, you can see what they are searching on Google. So they are searching CRAW Security, CRAW Cyber Security. So these are the information they are searching. And traffic sources, so from this website 62% users are coming from this website and 30% users are just opening the link, and 26% users are coming from this website. And referral sites, so these are the sites which draw traffic for this website. So yeah, and you can see the audience overlap. So similar site, it is just comparing the site, all the competitor website that it can get. So it is just comparing it. So and here you can see the engagement, so daily page view per visitor. So if a user visits this page, then 34% of the user just visit 2.5 pages, so 2 to 3 pages. And I already told you the daily time, so it is an increase, and the page view is a decrease. So, and this result is from the past 90 days. So 30% traffic source is from the search engine Google. So, and 29.6% people visit Google before opening this site. So yeah, means 29.6% people search on Google, and 38% users visit Google after opening this website CRAW.in. So before opening 30% and after opening 39%. So these are the free information available, and if you want more information you can sign up, so it will give you more information. So this is how you can see any website statistics. So as you can see, its users, so 98% traffic is coming from India because it's an Indian website obviously. So this is the way how you can see statistics of any website, and even you can compare this. So as you can see, this website versus these 4 websites, so it is comparing all 5 websites. So that's it for this video.